my YouTube video. So if you guys are my existing subscribers, you know I love you guys, and I know I haven't uploaded any of the videos recently, so here I am with another video which literally nobody asked for. So as you can see from the title, it's gonna be about some 8 weird facts about me, because मुझे तो बहुत weird लगते हैं. So without wasting any of the further time, let's get started. And hey, wait. Just because the video does not get boring, I have came up with the idea and shot some of the really short videos which would be visualized somewhere here, so that you can really see what I'm doing and would literally see that of my weird things down here, and which is really kind of funny stuff, so you would enjoy the video. Now let's get started. First fact is, many of you guys might be knowing about it, that I am a very huge K-drama fan. So honestly speaking, I am totally addicted to my K-dramas and watch it 24/7. Like whenever I get time, I'm into my laptop and watching hell of shows. So I guess it's weird for me because all of my family is like, you are always watching the Chinese ones. So they are not Chinese, they're Korean, and I'm always correcting them and they think I am crazy about it. So the second weird fact about me is I love eating chalks. So basically the thing is कि मुझ में शायद कैल्शियम कम है, तो I just love eating them and I literally enjoy their taste so much. So yeah, that's truly weird about me. Okay, so the third weird fact is about my feet. Of course, I'm not that heighted, but to be honest, my feet are literally so small that I could even wear 5 साल के बच्चे का footwear and it fits me so well, and I usually laugh on that stuff, and I guess that's really weird. So the fourth is that I have a very high OCD about the things. If a specific thing is literally even tilted from its original place, I literally get so much of वो feeling होती है ना, that we don't feel even comfortable anywhere in the house till we just fix that thing. So that's the thing. And also कि जब मेरे सामने कोई blanket लेके बैठता है and that blanket is literally on the floor, so I just be so rude to the person, and I can just see that scenario of someone letting their blankets down on the floor, and that irritates me for sure. And the fifth fact is that I am so connected with the plants. Like I like the places which are full of plants, and you would be thinking कि इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है? Everybody like plants and everybody do like being in the nature. So the thing is कि अगर मेरा mood कितना भी खराब हो, but if I see any of the plants with blooming flowers and things, my mood automatically gets to the highest peak of happiness, and that really fantasizes me, like it's so pretty. So the next one is, if you have ever been through my Instagram feed, you might be noticing that I am interested in doing some of the creative photo shoot. Of course it's creative according to me, I don't know about you guys. So yeah, I like doing that kind of stuff, so I just usually get some things and try to be creative with them. I don't know like what kind of things, I don't actually plan them, but I just randomly keep them at the places and do my photography. So yeah, I don't ever plan them and it turns out to be good, so that really is weird for me. Next fact is that if anyone is angry at me and they even raise their volume just a bit and shout on me or yells on me, I am totally like, I literally cry just because they are like shouting on me or something, but the raise of the volume, it's so headache for me that I literally start to cry, and that happens many times in a day actually. So the next weird thing is that I get hell of mood swings, And one of the most weird one is that from a normal person I suddenly switch to being a bad bitch or a very kind of tone with the independent woman thing. And like people talk to me casually and I respond to them in a very swaggy or toxicative manner. Of course it is not good, and yeah, I reply to them like that. And this mostly happens with my brother or my family members, and that really hurts them, so that's weird for me. But yeah, I'm controlling on it. Another weird fact is about my hairs. If you know me, you might be knowing that I have really straight hairs, and of course to get just this much of curls I need to tie them down from night, and then they go to this kind of curves, which is also as equal to the straight hairs. And none of the hair dryers or straighteners, nothing works for me, which is really weird. And I love curly hairs and I can't do it, so I'm basically so much frustrated with them always being straight. So yeah, that's truly weird. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video and found it a bit weird and funny and enjoyed watching it. So, and if you guys are my existing subscribers, I literally love you guys. And if you haven't subscribed me yet, I would really appreciate if you go through my recent videos, and if you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when my next video is out. And I know I was really late this time to post or upload my video, but this mistake would not be happening again in the future, so I would be uploading my video very soon. So just make sure your notifications are turned on and you would be the first to watch my next video. Thank you so much and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.